If you're searching for the best laser engraving machine in 2026, you're in the right place. Whether you're starting a small business, upgrading your workshop, or exploring creative DIY projects, choosing the right machine can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 laser engraving machines of 2026 ranked for power, features, build quality, and overall value. Stay until the end to see our number 1 pick. Starting our list at number 5 is the Ray 5 20-watt laser engraving machine. This complete package includes a 20-watt laser module, an air assist kit, and a Honeycomb work table, making it an excellent choice for beginners who want everything they need right out of the box. Its powerful laser handles wood, acrylic, leather, and many other materials with clean, precise results. The included accessories improve cutting quality while reducing burn marks, helping users achieve professional-looking projects from day one. If you're looking for an easy-to-use engraving system with great overall value, the Ray 5 is a strong place to start. At number 4 is the TwoTrees TTS-20 PRO, a feature-rich engraver designed for creators who want convenience and versatility. Built with Wi-Fi connectivity and app control, this machine lets users send projects wirelessly, making workflow faster and more efficient. It handles wood, leather, MDF, acrylic, and coated metals with excellent precision. Its sturdy frame helps reduce vibration, producing cleaner engraving lines while maintaining reliable performance during longer jobs. For makers who value both productivity and flexibility, the TTS-20 Pro delivers impressive results. Taking the third spot is the ACMER P2 20-watt laser engraver. Designed with speed and convenience in mind, it features automatic air assist that improves cut quality while keeping the work area cleaner. Built-in Wi-Fi and app support allow quick project management directly from your mobile device. Its powerful 20-watt laser delivers impressive cutting performance across wood, acrylic, leather, and other popular materials. Combined with its modern design and smart features, the ACMER P2 offers an excellent balance between performance and ease of use. Our runner-up is the Atomstack A20 Pro V2, one of the most respected laser engravers available today. Powered by a 20-watt quad laser system, it delivers exceptional cutting power and engraving precision. The generous work area provides plenty of space for larger projects, while its robust construction ensures dependable long-term performance. Whether you're creating personalized gifts, custom signs, business products, or intricate artwork, the Atomstack A20 Pro V2 consistently produces professional quality results that make it a favorite among serious makers. Claiming the number 1 spot is the TwoTrees TS2 22-watt laser engraving machine. With its powerful 22-watt laser module, this machine stands out for outstanding cutting strength, engraving accuracy, and overall performance. It cuts wood up to 12mm thick, while producing crisp, detailed engravings across acrylic, leather, coated metals, and many other materials. Its durable metal frame, spacious working area, and high-speed operation make it an excellent option for both serious hobbyists and growing businesses. If you're looking for the best combination of power, precision, and versatility in 2026, the TwoTrees TS2 earns our top recommendation. Those are our picks for the top 5 laser engraving machines of 2026. Which model is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Deal Explorer, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.